Okay, so you just open up your worksheet number 2, the shapes worksheet. With that, I'm going to show you guys how to use basic shapes first. And with that, I want you guys to use vector shapes. Okay, so on our toolbar here on the left hand side, you have that triangle and that circle, and you can see that when I click on that, I actually have a square that appears. I want to start with a circle, so if I click on that arrow and I go to basic shapes, you'll see that I have other options. Okay, so I'm going to click on the circle, and you see now that square turned into a circle on my document. Okay, now it says red circles, so I'm going to have to go to the color red and take that slider, move it up for me, and then on the bottom here you'll see that there is an option: fill, erase, mask, or select. You're just going to fill, click fill. Oh, I think I'm on a wrong layer, so if I click a new layer, now I can fill, and I'm going to make that a vector circle. Okay, now if you click on that move tool, which is right below our shapes tool, it looks like a little cross with arrows. If you click on that, I can actually resize this. I can move it around anywhere I want, and I'm just going to place it in the box like that. Okay, at the top right hand corner you can hit done. Okay, and then you are back to another shape option. If you wanted to get rid of that, you could just click on something else, and you have a different function or a different tool that you'll be using. Next one is a blue square, so I'm going to click on that square or tool shape option, and then I'm going to go to square. Okay, and I'm going to fill that with the color blue. And I'm going to just shrink this down, move it over, and then I'm going to hit fill. You can see that it filled it. Do that with polygon. Polygon, we're going to use a triangle, so you could add or subtract the amount of sides it has. And I'm going to change it to green. Over here, hit fill, and it applies that color to it. Last one, we have a purple octagon. So I'm going to go back to polygon, add more sides. How many sides in a octagon? We have 8. And I'm going to fill it with purple. Click OK, and there we go. We have our basic shapes, the circle, square, triangle, and octagon. Look for the next video to see how you can create some of these cool added images here.